Hey, what's up guys, this is KDCloudy and these are my second pair of wireless earbuds ever, the Tantra Powerboat Bluetooth earphones with a 4.5 star Amazon rating, number one at that time, so I bought it. And honestly, it's really hard to make a good decision in this swarm of no-name companies making cheap Bluetooth headphones which all look pretty much the same. But anyway, I went with it, and after 2 full years of using it, I don't regret my decision at all. So let's just start with the sound. These sound pretty good. Now, if you're expecting some high-end bass, you're not going to get that, but I don't like exaggerated bass, so it's good for me. But what would you even expect? It's not as high quality compared to my Audio Technicas, but chances are that you shouldn't bother, and it basically sounds same if not better than any out-of-the-box wired headphones, so it's pretty standard. Now let's focus on something a little underrated, the ear tips. The ear tips on this are bulbous shaped ear tips, and you get 3 sizes more in the box. And if you're previously used to this kind of ear tip, then you'll be just fine. But if you're switching from an Apple style ear tip like this one, your ear muscles are really gonna hurt in the initial stage, like mine did. So if this is not for you, you can just stop watching this video and get some other pair of earbuds, or if you want to get adjusted, that's okay too, so just keep that in mind. Now let's come to the wireless experience. So if these are your first pair of wireless earbuds, then you're going to be really happy by the experience you get by cutting the cord. The Bluetooth pairing is easy, simple and quick, and there's a little bit of a range problem in the sense if your phone's fully covered or something, it gets a little troublesome for the signals to reach the headphones and causes an occasional distortion, so it's not really a big problem. But next, durability and build. These are built really nice and they've got tons of torture and abuse from my usage. I keep dropping them, sitting on them, tossing them into my bag, keep them in my pocket, and it gets all the sweat from a gym workout, and all that it does survive and resists nicely, very nicely, like to the point I even forgot them in my pant pocket and they literally came back from the washing machine, that too twice. And except for losing the black driver mesh thingy which exposes the metal, it just sounds just as good as day one. So yeah, these are great, reliable, and definitely worth the money. So if you're confused from the hundreds of choices from the Amazon page, try looking for this one. You can't go wrong. And this works great as it starters Bluetooth earphones. You can use this, get into the Bluetooth ecosystem, and upgrade from that into more something expensive like a Jabra Elite Sport or something. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.